Hello, in front of me I've got Mio MiVue J30 dashcam. In this video I'll show you the camera preview. As you can see, this is the small camera without the LCD display, and also we've got the speaker right here. On the back we can find the model name and number. Here we've got the second speaker and lens, power on button, and on the other side SD card slot, reset button and charging port. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.